tornado warning remains in effect until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern McLean, southern Oklahoma, and northern Cleveland counties. This is a tornado emergency for Moore and South Oklahoma City at 3:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous tornado located 4 miles west of Moore.
Okay.
Hi.
All right, it's on.
So I'm Rebecca Vitsmun. I came out from Seattle, Washington. I am the team leader for this particular deployment. We're in Columbia, South Carolina, working after the flood in 2015 on the rebuilding efforts. And today we're doing mold remediation.
You got to thank the Lord, right?
Yeah. I'm actually an atheist.
Oh, you are? All right.
So we're right at the end, and this entire experience was amazing. I'm so proud of the entire team. Everybody worked hard, everybody did their best, and you could tell, and our partner organization, St. Bernard Project, could tell, and they were like, if you need a reference, tell them. I couldn't be more happy with how it went, and I'm going to be smiling for so long. I'm going to be smiling, you know, for days and weeks, and then I'll be craving to do it again, and then I'll get the chance to, because, okay, so we've been working and working and working because it wasn't ready, and then now we jumped out, and it was supposed to be a test to see how bad it went, and then the thought was, well, if it goes really badly, then we'll just work harder and we'll try again, but it didn't go really badly. It went beautifully. And we have a lot of, you know, I have a notebook full of things that can make it even better. But it wasn't like failures, it was just these little tiny, little twinge things and items to add to the checklist. I mean, these are just small changes to make to the program, and to walk away that successful is awesome. So happy, because that means that our next deployment can be sooner than if we had to do a lot of work. So that's, yeah, it's wonderful. It was an amazing experience. It was as awesome as I thought it could be. So I can't wait for the next one. And I'll see you there.